Okay, so welcome to a quick overview of Canvas. I kind of had the realization that, I've been using Canvas for about 4 months now, and many of you have been barely using it for 24 hours at this point. So I want to give you a quick overview and help you understand some of the power that Canvas finally brings to us as a Frostburg State University campus. So one of the first things is you need to come in and you need to go under your account and note that your account is it's a global account. So you only have to create it once, and it really creates a nice sense of being within the system. So if you come under profile, you can do all kinds of editing in here. You can't see it, but off to the right over this way is the ability to be able to edit your profile. Under editing your profile, you can put like different links in. You can put a little bibliography about yourself, so on and so forth. I don't know if you have files or not. I'll have to check that out in a few minutes and see if you have files. But if you do have files, this is a way for you to be able to temporarily store things. For me, it gives me a global archive of the different files that I have available. Do note that a lot of the things inside of um, Canvas are drag and droppable. So what I can do is I could take in, um, let's say that I have a Word document that I want. I could take and drag that up here, and it'll just boom, it'll just show up there. Okay. I don't know why that didn't let me do it, but typically it works just fine. Of course, it wouldn't work right now. Then if you come back to your profile, there's other things you can do like your settings and your e-portfolios and your badges. Now don't worry about these right now. There's going to be a lot of professors that are new to this, but eventually we're going to get into the e-portfolios and the badges on campus. One of the things you really want to pay attention to is your settings. Over on the right hand side, over here, again, you can't see it, there's a ways to contact. And over there in the ways to contact, you're going to see your Frostburg email address, but you can put other addresses in. And on down below, it says other contacts, and you can add in your cell phone there, which is a great way to be able to receive a text. And you can actually text back if it's something brief. You can text back to the professor that sent it to you. In addition, underneath of that, there's a thing that says like for all devices, push everything out. Well, you want to do that. You want to get the Canvas app installed on all your different devices. And then once you've done that, you really want to have a look at your notifications area. In your notifications area, again, I have over to the right over here, I have my cell phone number and my push notifications. And you're able to turn on and off all of the different things. So if you want, whatever it might be, you just kind of hover over it. It'll tell you the different things of what it is. For example, due dates. It's going to be on my calendar, course content, different files. Has there been a new file posted, so on and so forth. Don't make the mistake that I did and just say don't send me anything, and don't do the notify me right away for everything. Just don't do that. Selectively go through, see what you want to do. Okay. The send daily summary is the little time thing. Send weekly summary is the calendar. Do not send as the X. All right. So as you go through, you might want to kind of update those things. All right, now inside of the courses, you have a couple of different things that are available in here to you. And I'm going to come in as a student. I'm capable of viewing things the way that you view them. So this is what it'll look like for you. I am going to get rid of the home button. Um, and then under assignments is where all the different upcoming assignments go and assignments that have already passed. However, to me, one of the more useful things in here is the syllabus. When you click on syllabus, one of the neat things you'll see is what the date is and then like what things are coming up. So today's date, and this is my Computer Science 100 class for the summer. Yesterday in the past, we had these items due. Notice how it's grayed out. Today is Wednesday. That's at the top of our list, and we have these items due, and this is what's due into the future. Other neat things that you can do is you can tap straight into your Office 365. I'm not going to be able to do it, but you'll be able to log in, and this will enable you to be able to tap right into your OneDrive, and be able to add things to and from there, pull things straight out, submit that document right from your OneDrive, right into the assignment on Blackboard, which is pretty cool. By this point in time, I think everybody knows that the book is under Red Shelf Course Materials. Under here, you'll be able to find the book for your particular class. Now, with all that being said, the last thing I want to point out is the discussions. The discussions are a little bit different than they were over in Blackboard. I actually prefer Blackboard over Canvas, but that's okay. We got to take the good with the bad on all of this stuff. One of the neat things you can do is you can come in here to this, and you read your discussion. And when you want to comment on this, you just come down to the bottom and you click on reply. And then of course you can create a new thread off of mine. Like I see somebody liked mine, and here's Alex. She's created a new one, and notice how it's seamless. So this is a thread off of mine. So we can actually close these up so we can see these different threads. And if I clicked on reply on this, hers would line up, or mine would line up right underneath of that. I don't know that I'll have a test. Let me see. I can always go in and erase this later, but I'll click on post reply, and notice it says, hey, that's a test student, and I'll delete that out in a few minutes. But let's say that I want to reply to Alex's here, because that's part of this particular assignment. You click on reply within Alex's. Again, it's not as like standoff as I would like for it to be, but you can see that it does have a field set around all of these, which indicates that this is a reply within Alex's here. So I'll say hello, if I can spell hello right. And I'll post that reply out. And now you can see that I've posted a reply into Alex's. All right. So in general, see if I can edit and I can delete these, and I can change those settings, by the way. So this is going to be heavily dependent on the professor and the privileges that they're giving you to do different things. But also notice that you have other things that are available. For example, you can embed video into here. You can embed a URL. You can put a photo in. And here's the ability to embed a Office document straight into here. If you wish to do that, you could certainly embed that straight in. All right. Up here, you can do a little bit of HTML if you want as well. The other thing that I want to note is the whole subscribed button. You might want to take a few moments and click on subscribe on those discussions that you're currently participating in, and that's going to kind of make it nice. All right. The last feature that I really want to point out, I want everybody to start using, is the inbox over here. I can't use it, so let me jump out of this so you can see a live inbox. So here's the live inbox. Pretty straightforward. Everything's going to show up in here, and you could come in and filter by the different course that you have. I don't have a lot of conversations there, but I have some conversations going on there with this. And then over here on the right is the compose. So you can click on compose, and within compose you can do a variety of things, like you can add an attachment, or one of the neat things is you can actually record an audio or a video comment. So I could click on record on this, click on allow. Let's see if it actually brings up my camera because I'm using it elsewhere. Yes, I'm using it elsewhere, so I can't tap into it. See, I'm using it right here. Hi. So that's why I can't tap into it. But then you can select who you want to send it to. Do you want to send it to, in my case, all the teachers? I don't know, or all the students. I don't know how yours is going to show up, but I think you can send messages to other students. All right. Also note when you're in here that there is a chat. Now, I have not used chat very much, but notice it says there's one person online. It's just me. And if I'm there, you should be able to send me a message, and it should give me some kind of a notification. I'll kind of turn that on and see what happens. So, anyways, I hope this helps everybody out a little bit. And if you do have any questions, just email me and let me know. Look, somebody else just showed up there. Just let me know, and we'll do our best to be able to help you out. Okay. Have a great day. Communicate with me. Let me know what's going on. I'm willing to change things if it gets too bad here in the beginning as you're getting adjusted to this particular environment. Have a great day.